Welcome to Gifting Genie. We are the genie for all your gifting wishes. Today, I am going to give you the tutorial of this Republic Day flag pop-up card, which opens up like this and gives us the Republic Day flag, the flag of India. This card is perfect for celebrating the spirit of our nation. As always, I have already prepared the template for this card. And why? So that the process of making this card is obviously comparatively much easier. You don't have to worry about the calculations or where to stick what and all that. So to get the template, just fill out the Google form which is linked in the description, and I am going to DM you the template in your inbox. Now, without any further delay, let's collect the materials and let's start crafting.
These are all the materials that you are going to need to make this card. First of all, let's cut all things from this template. So this is how the main parts of the template are going to look after cutting. These are going to be the two stands. This is the flag, the cover, and the base of the card. So now I'm going to quickly score the parts. So if you notice, this part, the base, has a score line at the center. I'm going to score that first, and after that these two parts, these have multiple score lines. If you notice, like 1, 2, 3, 4, both the parts have 4 score lines, so I'm going to score those as well. And after that I'll show you what folds to make for those scores. So let me quickly score these 3 parts. Okay, so I am done scoring. So for this part, this score line is going to be a valley fold. By that I mean that you are going to push this inward and fold it like this so that it closes. Let me show you how. So this is how this part folds. And now going ahead to these. So these are all going to be mountain folds. That is, this get folds upwards. So let me quickly show you how to fold this as well. The same process needs to be followed for the other stand as well. After we are done with this, the first step is to stick this cover on top of the card. So by that I mean, you close this. These are going to be the bottom layer. So the part where we have these flags, this is going to be the top. So the back of it, you stick the card here. I'm going to use double-sided tape. You can use whatever material you prefer.
How's it going so far? Are you enjoying the tutorial or facing some difficulties? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, if you are following along, tag me @gifting_genie on Instagram, and I want to see what you created. I love seeing your ideas come to life. Now, let's get back to finishing the card.
Okay, so I am done sticking the cover here, and now I am going to take this stand, the one where the white part faces here, and in this I am going to stick this part in this box. So it's going to like get stuck like this. So I'll apply tape on this fold, this one, and this fold as well, because both of them will get stuck, the last 2 folds of the stand. And similarly I'm going to do on this one as well. First of all, we are going to stick this part on the card. So we will need this part stuck here like this on the inner side, like in the inner circle, like this. So let me peel off the tape and stick that. Make sure this white triangle is towards the inner side. After that, I'm going to stick this part onto here. Then I'm going to do the same process again for the second part, and this one where the white rectangle is there goes inside, and the other one goes on the outside. After sticking again, check that the card is folding properly. So this is how the card should look after sticking both the stairs. Now we are first going to take the two parts of the flag, this one and this one, and we are going to stick them at the back of each other like this, so that it's a proper flag from both the sides. Now, first of all, the flag is going to get stuck here on this white area. Like, you just need to apply glue on this white portion only and stick the flag there. After my flag is stuck on one side, I'll also apply glue on both these stairs because they also need to get stuck. After applying the Fevicol, I'll simply close the card and wait for things to get stuck. And I'll keep pressing so that it gets stuck quickly. And that's it. After these parts get stuck, our Republic Day flag pop-up card is ready. So when you open the card, this is how the card is. And when you open it, the flag pops up. And you can write your message here. And you can also stick some stickers here if you want to, but I don't really want to do that. I like it plain and simple, so I'm going to leave it as is. But you can stick the stickers which were there in the template. You can use any of these or any of these as well. And that's it, the card is ready.
I hope you enjoyed crafting this as much as I did. And if you have any suggestions or if you want me to bring any other tutorials, just let me know in the comments and I'll definitely bring it as soon as possible. And obviously, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss the notification for any new upcoming tutorial. That's it for today. Bye bye.